Look, buddy, I'm an engineer. That means I got more problems than you. Not problems like what is beauty. Because I am beautiful. I got practical problems. For instance, how am I gonna stop your mother from torturing me? The answer is any one of us.
2 of every animal on Earth. If f***ing is sure to result in victory, then you must do it!
Your mother
weighs 150 kilograms and touched Sasha.
Your mother
Sasha.
Did anyone happen to kill a
Beautiful.
Heavy weapons guy.
Then we still have a problem.
And a knife.
Ooh, big problem. I killed plenty of spies. The dime a dozen
Beautiful.
scumbags. Like
Your mother.
grass flies, I grow, and birds hurt people.
All of you are babies!
One crossed wayward pinch of crossed wire, one errant crossed twitch, one errant pinch of crap. I'm a grim-blooded fable with an unhappy bloody
Baby! Hey, you. Like this heavy caliber tripod mounted little
Weapons guy.
Then he used his fight money to buy 2 of every animal on Earth. And then he herded them onto a zoo. And from that day forward, anytime a bunch of animals are together in one place, it's called a boat.
I'll be honest with you. My parents...
They got
mental sickness.
Your mother.
Beautiful.